Delicious coffee trifle recipe, easy dessert ideas. Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to whip up something truly indulgent and perfect for any coffee lover out there, coffee trifle. It's a delightful combination of rich coffee flavors, creamy goodness, and a little hint of chocolate. So, let's get started. Ingredients. 1 box of chocolate cake mix. 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, cooled. 1 package of instant vanilla pudding mix. 2 cups of cold milk. 1 cup of heavy cream. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chocolate shavings or cocoa powder for garnish. Instructions. First, let's bake our chocolate cake according to the package instructions. Once it's cooled, cut it into small cubes. Next, we'll prepare our creamy layers. In a bowl, whisk together the instant vanilla pudding mix with cold milk until it thickens. This will be our luscious vanilla pudding layer. Now, let's make some whipped cream. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream with sugar and vanilla extract until soft peaks form. This will add a dreamy, fluffy texture to our trifle. Now comes the fun part, assembling our trifle. In a trifle dish or a clear glass bowl, start with a layer of chocolate cake cubes at the bottom. Then, drizzle some of our cooled brewed coffee over the cake cubes. This will infuse that irresistible coffee flavor into every bite. Next, spoon a layer of our creamy vanilla pudding over the coffee-soaked cake. This adds a delicious contrast to the richness of the chocolate and coffee. Now, let's top it off with a generous layer of our freshly whipped cream. Don't be shy with this part, the more, the merrier. For the finishing touch, sprinkle some chocolate shavings or cocoa powder over the top. Not only does it look elegant, but it also adds a burst of chocolatey goodness. And there you have it, our decadent coffee trifle ready to be devoured. Whether you're serving it up for a special occasion or just treating yourself, this dessert is sure to impress. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your fellow coffee enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.